Level 1, Stone Age. Face the challenge of surviving in a hostile world. Adapt, evolve, and survive.
Come on, what are you doing? Attack! Attack!
Create stone tools and use bones to defend and attack. Level 2, and Roman Age. Experience the splendor and struggles of the Roman Empire. Adapt, evolve, and survive. Create art, entertainment, and conquer new lands. Level 3, Medieval Age. Survive in a feudal world. Adapt, evolve, and survive. Organize in communities, conquer and defend territories.
Let's do it.
Level 4, Modern Age. Seek wealth, fame, and happiness.
Yeah, baby.
Adapt, evolve, and survive. Level 5, Future. The planet is in crisis. Adapt, evolve, and survive.